and delicious. Then where's Baby Baba? Baby Baba, say hi to your sister. Hi, big sis. So here is the same thing as Miss Independence, the other doll we opened. Same look, same everything, except for the doll though. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take off this part again.
Ooh, I wonder what shoes she has.
I know. Let's put this aside and let's open this. So we're gonna start by reading this book here. When you're feeling all the feels, sharing can sweeten up your day. I get it.
Okay, we got everything out.
Okay, so we're gonna start by opening the little accessories. Let's see what size she is. 6.5.
Let's check out what shoes.
Ooh! Look at these. Look at the back. Look, they're like swirly. They're yellow, white, and blue, and a little bit of white, pink, and silver. And they're different. See? Let's put those to the side. Now we're gonna open
the accessories. Let's see.
Ooh, a whole bunch of things. Oh, and they're so fun.
So, they have 2 earrings and bracelets.
Nope, those aren't earrings. These are the cute little earrings. Oh, look at these. Oh, they're so cute.
Purple and yellow.
And then this is a kind of like a collar necklace. So this is her still package. Still hasn't been out yet.
So let's open this bag as the other one.
Is it her outfit? Is it her outfit?
No, it's a backpack. Look how adorable it is. Accessories. Oh, look at her blue brush.
Her stencil is white. So it's got kind of like a silver shell. Kind of like a bright You friends. This is 2 new dolls to our collection. We used to only have 1, but now we have like 5. No. Yeah, 5 in total.
This is how she looks.
Out of the package, I mean, look at her. Look at her tank top kind of bra. And then look at her pants. They're so glittering. And then like her hairdo. Look at her hair. Same as Baby Mama. Well, not the hairdo, but like the same color hair. Same places. They got the same eyes, the same lip color, the same eyebrows, the same everything except for the body though. They're small. She's small, she's big. Small, big, small, big.
Pepper, don't pepper.
Okay, so let's start opening the outfits.
I'll be opening this one first. So, I wonder what's in here. What could it be?
It's your outfit? Ooh, what part is that? Let me see. That is this part. Her top.
Oh, so this one goes out. The bra goes out. So this one and then the bra goes top.
Yep.
Time for Leilany's turn. Oh my goodness, that one goes.
I'm pretty sure this is
the shorts.
Short. No, this is like a skirt. See?
Yeah.
I really like her color.
Hair.
I really liked her leggings.
My mom, out of all the dolls we had, she likes this one. I mean, it is pretty. It's super pretty. So let's start building up the stand here that we have. Second piece. 1, third piece.
Oh, she has her stuff here. Oh, look, she has braids. Pink one, but
This
no
is
blue
her
ones.
chair. Oh, it's compared to the other one.
No.
Now let's change her. So here, what we're doing with this is we gotta take this off though, because here in the photo, it's like the sweater, and then on top is like the little thing. But let's start with the skirt. It's faster. So here, it opens from here.
And it goes from there.
Ta-da, like this. Okay, so
Put your hands up.
put her skirt on like this. Ooh, look at the designs. Just nice.
Oh, that's the connect it from the back. And then put up her hair. And then that's how it looks. Now to take off the bra.
Okay, everyone, she came to her personal salon. Hi, Jen. Hi, dressing room. Just sit her down onto her chair. Oh, hold on. Let me move this up a little. She's a little taller than the other doll. Okay. And we're gonna start putting on her accessories. First, of course, the beautiful shoes.
Oh, right.
Check right and left. This one's right and this one's left.
Do that.
Push one on. See how?
Yeah.
Push the other on. Ooh, look at her shells. I love them. I wish there was human size of those. I would get them.
Time to put on accessories and brush your hair.
I'm gonna open this up. Let's lay out the accessories. Okay. So, oh, look at the backpack, everyone. Backpack. Okay, next we're gonna put on the cute little earrings. You wanna do the blue one or the?
I'll do that. Isn't this adorable? It's kind of like a strap, but it's actually earrings.
Yeah. So it turns out that these aren't actually bracelets. As you can see here, the rubber band, it's just a rubber band here, and here in the photo, actually little swirls. So these go on here. We're gonna start with the pink ones. One, put it right here. Two.
Oh.
And then circle smile. The other one is here.
Oh my god. Can't you do it for yourself?
So too small for my big fingers. There! She's ready! Hold on. We forgot one special thing.
The backpack!
The backpack. Just remind me of Dora.
No, that's a purse.
No, backpack.
Purse.
Backpack.
It's a purse.
Backpack.
Okay, so backpack.
Okay, let's put the other one. Okay, so
Last but not least, we just gotta pressure here. Then she has to go. And meet her new friend. Brush.
did you brush her eyes?
Okay, time to meet her friend.
This is Miss Independence, and this is Candy Vicious. They're best of best friends, and they will always be best friends. Okay. Please stay tuned for our next video. So, as I was saying, we'll be here. This is only one of our 2-pack of L.O.L.O.M.G dolls. We have another pack of 2. The same thing, but with different dolls. We already have the whole series of 2. So So, yeah, stay tuned for more O.M.G rolls. And comment down.
And subscribe us at Leilany&keilany on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Bye. Love you.
Yeah, what they said. So yeah, please like and comment other things you want us to do for you guys, like more L.O.Ls, cooking, science experiments, all kinds of things. So, please hit that like, subscribe button, and turn on those notifications so you know every time we post a video. Bye!